Hey, what's up? Thanks for tuning in today.
What's up? What's up? Yo, Duque, pick up the phone.
Yo.
What's up?
I'm guessing you're here to figure out how to change the temp coolant sensor on a 2013 to, I believe, 2015 Chevy Malibu. This is a 2013 Chevy Malibu LS. And to get it started, first thing you're gonna have to do is take this shield off of your engine, and then we'll get to the engine temp, the temp coolant sensor, okay? One sec. Now you're gonna need a star bit, T27, to get these screws out. I've already pre-loosened them, so it should be pretty simple. Now that the heat shield is removed from the top of the motor, you will look for this little electrical connection right there. That is one of your coolant temp sensors. There's a small pin underneath there that you'll have to get out with a screwdriver, and then once you get that out, you should be able to disconnect that and put the new one in. This job should only take a couple minutes, and it'll get rid of that pesky AC off due to high engine temp on your dash, and it'll also get rid of the check engine light that may be coming up for a faulty temp sensor. So let me get started on this. All right, I got a nice long flathead screwdriver here. I'll try and pop this metal pin out. Be sure to put your finger here to catch it so it doesn't fly away, just like it did. Here we go. Okay, set this somewhere where you will not lose it. And there you go, look at that. When disconnecting the old temp sensor, you're going to pull back on this plastic piece, and then you're going to press down, and it will lift up so you can remove this. Now let's get the new one put in place. Okay, so we've got the new temperature sensor. And now a thing to keep in mind with these Chevy Malibus is that there are two temperature sensors. One is located here in the water outlet. This is the most common one to fault, and then the other is located in the radiator. So we're going to push this guy in here, push that plastic piece back, make sure that it's nice, snug, and secure, and then we're going to slide this in place here. See if I can go under. Okay, so we've got that in. Now the tricky part is just getting this metal retaining clip back in here. So you're going to look for a spot for that to slide in. Well, I'm going to work on this, but for the most part, that is how easy and simple it is to change that little sensor and to get rid of any issues that you may be having with your coolant temperature gauge and your AC not coming on due to high temperature reading from a faulty gauge. After this, you're just going to want to put your cover back on, and that's pretty much it. One thing I want to mention is to make sure you push this down very firmly until you feel it's set in place. This should not be loose, this should not wiggle. And once you put that retaining clip back in, make sure that this connection is sealed, or else coolant will leak out. Double check your work, start your car before you just get up and drive, and make sure that that is in properly before you go anywhere. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.